We put a lot of work and effort into this car this past week. Sacrificed a lot of time, not only with my family, but with my friends and such. But we ended up getting it together, made some tweaks and turns on it. Pretty much got the system burped for the most part. We're gonna change the oil again, and we're gonna change the filters. I'm gonna go out on the street and we're gonna make a couple street hits, get the car hot and make sure it's gonna respond, because we're gonna hit the dyno tomorrow. I wanted to give you guys an update, let you guys see it. We're gonna put it up on the lift, change the oil real quick. We're gonna get some footage of the first drive with pretty much a brand new rebuilt set of AFR heads. Basically new, but better. Better springs, better valves, better guides, better retainers, locks, all that stuff to handle the sort of pressure that we put on this engine in this build. So I'll get you some footage of us starting it after the oil change, and we'll get some street footage. So, all right, got the oil change. Let's get this started. It's essential when you put a new build back together or put a build in a car that you check over the things like radiator fluid level through the overflow. Don't pop the cap. Check for exhaust leaks, looking for fuel line leaks, looking for oil leaks, or maybe something you might have forgot with the cooling system. Very essential that this happens, and that's basically what this whole video was about. Getting heat in the engine and putting a load on it. Seems like it's running pretty good. I don't know. Stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the ride along in the white Turbo Fox body Mustang. Definitely motivated to finish it up, get it fixed. We had, head gasket on both sides of the motor were bad. Valve springs, valve flow. We had a number of issues that could have been very catastrophic for our engine by the end of the year, as much as we're about to race it. But I appreciate you guys following along on the ride along. Stay tuned. We got a lot of work to do in the coupe. We got a lot of work to do on the black car to bring it back to budget with the 387. I got a lot of things coming up on the channel while we race this. We've got a lot of things we're going to be doing. I appreciate everybody for watching. Leave me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. It helps the growth of the channel. Check out the join button below. Members of the channel get exclusive content to the channel. I appreciate all my members. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon in the next video. So stick around, folks. We got a number of videos to catch up on with the white Turbo Fox body. I appreciate everybody for watching.